In this video, I will demonstrate the mobile notifications feature. Once you've enabled mobile notifications for your trial, you'll see a new button on the dashboard that says Trial Topics. Click that, it'll take you to the topic management page. From here, you can add a topic. I'm just going to create one called Trial Updates. You can select the position, so if you've got multiple, you can choose the display order, and if this active flag is ticked, it means users will be able to see it. So we'll create the topic and it pops it in the list for you. If you're running rings for your trial, you can click from rings and it will automatically generate one topic per ring. I'm just going to delete them because we're not going to use them at the moment. The same thing will happen for a Scentwork trial. You get a button there to create a topic per element. We click view, we're brought to a chat type interface. This is where you will type your messages in and press enter, send it, and that'll broadcast to everyone who's subscribed. On the right hand side, I'm just going to bring up my phone. So now that we've got a topic, I'm going to refresh this page. You'll see the button there that says Trial Updates. I click that, it will give a list of topics which we can subscribe to. You may also notice this Install TopDog Events button. You can now install TopDog Events as an app on your phone, which is just going to take the browser part out of it, so you won't get the address bar at the top. Looks kind of cool. You don't need to use it. If you click Not Now, that will go away, and it might bug you once a week. The process for installing is slightly different on Apple devices, but there should be some instructions in the message on how to go about that. So I am going to subscribe to the Trial Updates channel. So if I click the little bell, it tells me it's subscribed. If you're doing this for the first time, you'll get a notification pop up to say enable notifications from TopDog Events that you need to allow, otherwise you won't be able to see this happening. So I'm just going to go back to the trial page here, and then if we jump back to the Trial Updates page and type something in, press enter. You see on the phone we've just got a little TopDog icon in the corner there, so I'm going to open the notification and you can see the Agility Club of WA triple header Trial Updates has sent me a message, and it's got my name on it and the message. So from there you can go straight to the topic, you can get rid of the notification, or you can unsubscribe from future updates from this topic. So if we click on that, it'll bring us straight to the topic and we can see all of the updates in there. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Let me know how you go.